Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, August the 10th. A week ended on weakness. E-mini S&P down 6 points at 2073.5. The loss for the week was 1.2% as the stock indexes continued the slide. Dow futures down 54 on Friday, 17,321, losing 1.5% on a weekly basis and down every day last week. The Nasdaq down 6 as well, 45.19. The leading loser down 1.75% on a weekly basis. The currencies, we had the dollar index backing off a little bit on Friday, 97.29, 97.62, down 29. The high of the session was 98.43, so making a push to the upside, knocking the euro currency down. The euro currency was steady on a weekly basis, unchanged last week, doing nothing sideways. The close on Friday was 109.76, up 50 points, so stuck at that 110 level, just below that. Bonds continue to surge, pushing yields down. New relative highs there, multi-month highs in the treasuries, 158.17. The high was 158.22 on the day, up 1 and 26/32, pushing yields lower and lower. Crude oil down another 80 cents, new 5.5-year, 6-year lows. The loss on a weekly basis was $3.25. The close on Friday was 43.87, like I said, down 80 cents. That was very close to the session low at 43.70, just a few pennies above that as the new depths in the crude market. And lastly, gold on the session was up $4 at 10.94, did get as high as 10.99, cannot get back above 1100 just yet, unchanged on a weekly basis. So after the mixed action that we saw in some of the markets last week with stocks down and a lot of commodities sideways, where do the markets stand on this new Monday morning? Well, we're up. We're up 9 points in the E-mini S&P, 2083, up 64 in the Dow futures, 17,385, and up 20 points in the Nasdaq 100, 45.39. The dollar is steady, down 15 ticks at 97.77, and we've got the euro currency down 19 at 109.57. Looking at the treasuries, 157.30 is where we stand, backing off a little bit with the stock surge in the bonds. We're at 157.30, down 18 ticks. The yields have been pushed lower, 2.85 in the 30-year and 2.20 in that 10-year note. Crude oil is up a whopping 15 cents, back to $44 a barrel, and gold is up $1 at 10.98. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, firmness in the stock index is up 9 in the S&P, up 64 in the Dow futures, and up 20 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.